Why is the Rafale jet considered one of the best fighter jets in the world? You might think the F-35 is the most powerful, but wait. The French-made Rafale can carry over 14 different weapons simultaneously. That's insane. It's capable of dogfighting, ground attack, and nuclear missions in a single flight. But this is what makes the Rafale so terrifying to its enemies. The Rafale became one of the fighter jets that dominated the airspace during coalition military operations in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, and Syria without ever being shot down by an enemy between 2007 and 2018. If you think expensive technology always wins, you probably haven't seen a Rafale up close.